what if I told you that every time you pick up your phone, you're handing over hours of your life to a trap designed to keep you hooked? Stay with me. This video could change everything. Hey, my amazing friends. Welcome back to Anks English. I'm Ank, and today we're diving deep into a topic that affects millions worldwide: social media addiction. In this video, we're going to uncover the science behind why you can't stop scrolling, how social media is quietly draining your time, energy, and dreams, and, most importantly, how you can break free to reclaim your life. This isn't just about learning English. Here at Anks English, we're all about transforming you into the best version of yourself. So grab a notebook, stay with me until the end, and let's unlock a life of purpose and freedom together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community for life-changing lessons every single day. The shocking reality of social media addiction. Let's start with a question. How many times do you think you check your phone every day? According to studies, the average person touches their phone over 2,600 times a day. That's like reaching for your phone every few seconds. And here's something even crazier. Globally, people spend an average of 7 hours a day glued to their screens. Let's break it down by country. In the USA, it's 7 to 8 hours daily. In India, people average 7.5 hours on social media and online platforms. In Bangladesh, it's around 6.5 hours a day. In Canada, 6 to 7 hours daily. In South Korea, a jaw-dropping 8 hours every single day. Now, pause for a second. If you're spending 7 hours a day on your phone, what's happening to the rest of your life? Those hours are spent endlessly scrolling through Instagram, binge-watching TikTok, catching up on YouTube, or streaming Netflix. But have you ever stopped to think about what you're losing? Your focus is fading, your studies are slipping, your career is stalling, and your passions? They're buried under a pile of notifications. Your hobbies, your goals, your dreams, they're all taking a back seat while you're distracted, scrolling away your life. Why can't you put your phone down? Here's a challenge. Can you go 1 hour without checking your phone? For many, the answer is no. If someone takes your phone away, you might feel anxious, restless, or even angry. That's not normal. That's addiction. People carry their phones everywhere. Yes, even to the bathroom. They check Instagram before brushing their teeth, skip family time to watch just one more reel, and forget what it feels like to live in the moment. Science has a chilling comparison. Social media addiction is as powerful as addiction to drugs, alcohol, or gambling. It's not just a bad habit. It's a cycle that hijacks your brain. Every time you get a notification, a like, or a comment, your brain releases a tiny burst of dopamine, the feel-good chemical. It's the same rush you get from eating chocolate or winning a game. Social media apps are engineered to deliver these mini rewards constantly, keeping you hooked. You scroll, you feel good for a fleeting moment, and then you scroll again, chasing that next hit. Minutes turn into hours, and before you know it, half your day is gone. The hidden cost of social media. Let's talk about what social media is really doing to you. When you open Instagram or TikTok, what do you see? Perfectly curated lives. Someone vacationing in Bali, someone flaunting a luxury car, someone showing off a flawless relationship. And what happens next? You start comparing. Why don't I have that car? Why isn't my life that exciting? Why am I not that successful? This comparison traps you in a cycle of self-doubt and insecurity. But here's the truth. Social media is a highlight reel, not reality. People post their best moments enhanced with filters and edits. Even celebrities tweak their photos to look perfect. Your brain, though, doesn't register the fakery. It just sees a life that seems better than yours. So you scroll more, seeking distraction from those feelings of inadequacy. This is where the real danger kicks in. Dopamine addiction. Think about this. Can you sit through a 20-minute documentary without getting bored? Probably not. But you can easily watch 21-minute TikTok videos back to back. Why? Because short, snappy content gives your brain instant dopamine hits. Social media platforms are designed like slot machines. Every swipe, every refresh is a gamble for the next exciting post. That unpredictability keeps you glued, just like a gambler at a casino. A real-life example. Even the rich and famous aren't immune. Take Zendaya, the superstar actress. In an interview, she once shared how she became obsessed with checking her social media for likes and comments after every post. It started affecting her confidence and mental health, making her feel anxious and unworthy. Eventually, she took a bold step. She deleted her apps and limited her social media use. That decision freed her to focus on her career and well-being. If someone as successful as Zendaya can fall into this trap, imagine how it's affecting the rest of us. Why good habits feel hard? Why is it so easy to scroll for hours, but so hard to study, exercise, or meditate? The answer lies in how our brains are wired. Good habits like studying or working out offer delayed rewards. You don't see results immediately. But social media? It's instant gratification. Likes, comments, new videos, all at your fingertips. Apps are built by teams of brilliant engineers and psychologists who know exactly how to keep you hooked. Every algorithm is designed to show you more of what you like, auto-playing the next video before you can even think about stopping. Their goal? Keep you scrolling for hours because your attention equals their profit. How to break free. 7 proven steps. Now, let's get to the good part. How to escape this addiction and take back your life. Don't worry, I've got you covered with practical, actionable steps. Step 1. Recognize the trap. The first step to freedom is awareness. Social media isn't here to help you. It's designed to keep you stuck. Companies make money the longer you stay on their apps, not when you live your best life. So before you open TikTok or Instagram, ask yourself, am I in control? Or is this app controlling me? If you feel like you have to check it, it's time to make a change. Step 2. Silence notifications. Every ping, buzz, or banner pulls you away from what matters. Research shows it takes 23 minutes to regain focus after a distraction. That's why you need to turn off notifications today. Go to your phone settings and mute alerts from Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other apps. You don't need to know about every like or comment the second it happens. This one change can save you hours every week. Step 3. Use the 5-second rule. Most of us grab our phones without thinking. It's automatic. Next time you feel the urge to check social media, pause and count backward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then ask, do I really need to open this app or is it just a habit? 9 times out of 10, you'll realize you don't need it. This simple trick breaks the autopilot cycle. Step 4. Set strict time limits. 7 hours a day on your phone adds up to 210 hours a month. That's like 8 full days. Imagine what you could do with that time. Learn a language, start a side hustle, or travel. Set a daily limit for social media. Say 30 minutes and stick to it. Use a timer or download an app blocker to lock you out once your time's up. Be ruthless with your boundaries. Step 5. Replace scrolling with real life. Why do we turn to social media? Often it's boredom. The antidote? Fill your life with meaningful activities. Go for a walk, read a book, learn a skill like cooking or playing an instrument, or call a friend. Spend time with family, hit the gym, or explore a new hobby. The more you engage with the real world, the less you'll crave the digital one. Step 6. Make your phone less tempting. Your phone is designed to grab your attention with bright colors and easy access. Fight back by making it boring. Switch your screen to grayscale. Colors trigger dopamine, so black and white apps are less enticing. Move social media apps to a hidden folder or off your home screen. Log out after each use to create friction. These small tweaks make it harder to mindlessly scroll. Step 7. Try a 7-day social media detox. Want to see how amazing life can feel without social media? Commit to a 7-day detox. Delete all social media apps from your phone for 1 week. Use that time to reconnect with yourself. Read, exercise, journal, or spend time with loved ones. By the end, you'll feel clearer, calmer, and more in control. You'll realize social media isn't as essential as you thought. A tale of two friends, Mia and Liam. Let me share a quick story about two friends, Mia and Liam. They were inseparable, but their lives took different paths. Mia was always on her phone, scrolling through Instagram and TikTok, chasing likes and trends. Liam, on the other hand, decided to ditch social media and focus on his goals. 5 years later, Mia was stuck in the same routine, feeling unfulfilled and regretting lost time. Liam, he'd learned a new language, started a small business, and traveled across Europe. Why? Because Liam chose to invest his time in what mattered, while Mia let social media steal hers. Time is like water. It slips away if you don't use it wisely. The hard truth, your future is at stake. Check your phone's screen time right now. Go to settings and see how many hours you're spending daily. Let's say it's 5 hours. That's 35 hours a week, 140 hours a month, or 1,680 hours a year, 70 full days. In 70 days, you could master a skill, get fit, write a book, or build a business. But every hour spent scrolling is an hour stolen from your dreams. If you don't change now, 5 years from now, you might look back and wonder, where did my time go? Imagine a better life. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture waking up energized, not reaching for your phone. Imagine a day filled with purpose, working on your goals, learning something new, connecting with real people. Imagine a life where you're not chained to notifications or comparing yourself to strangers online. This life isn't a fantasy. It's within your reach, but only if you act. Your two choices. At the end of the day, you face a fork in the road. Option 1, keep scrolling, keep wasting time, keep feeling stuck. Option 2, take control. Delete distracting apps, set boundaries, and invest in your dreams. The choice is yours. But here's the truth. One day you'll look back and ask, did I live my life, or did I just scroll through it? Did I chase my dreams, or did I watch others live theirs? The time to change is now. Don't wait for tomorrow or someday. Take one step today to break free from social media addiction. Maybe it's turning off notifications, setting a time limit, or starting that 7-day detox. Whatever it is, comment below and tell me, what action are you taking today to reclaim your life? Let's do this together. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Anks English for more life-changing content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video, and let's keep growing into the best versions of ourselves. I'll see you in the next one. Stay strong, stay focused, and take back your life.